He was back here on this Maxima, this endless. It's on its last legs, but this one's not too bad. What's going on is this fan isn't turning, but that one is. So when you idle and you're just idling for a while, runs a little hot. But if you're moving, it's not that. It's okay. So I got a part from eBay over there to replace just the whole assembly with the motors in it. First thing we're going to do is disconnect the negative terminal on the battery, and then we'll I think there's 2 bolts. Then we have to take off this here, which is held on by either snap rings, or not snap rings, some sort of pins, or in my case zip ties. And you need to remove this airflow sensor to get to it, so you can remove the upper hose. Some coolant will leak, so get something down underneath to get it. Make sure you don't have any pets around, and then we're gonna just swap in the new one. Okay, there's a little coolant in there. I have to tie this off somehow so that it doesn't drain any coolant. More coolant. Using a plungy cord to find something. Okay, that's the strut. Although it's pulling it towards the battery, which is not what we want. That'll okay. I hooked it on a wiper. So now, in theory, we should just be able to pull this out straight up. So curved on the bottom, the other one's straight, so that's how it's going to go in. New one goes in, same way the old one came out. So be mindful of the your O2 sensors here. Come on, yeah. It sits down in some place for it. In the bottom. Fumble around, you'll get it. There's there it is. Okay, that's there. And this one, it's in place. Put it in the new fan assembly. Now I'm just gonna hook up the wires. They hold into someplace, I believe. Here. Well, this one I know goes here. or is it, yeah, it snakes in here into this, in here, like that, then goes over here, and
unless I have this backwards. Then how can that be?
now I've got the fan assembly back in. The clips don't seem to match up, but it's probably because it's an aftermarket part. Now I'm going to put the hose back on and reattach some stuff. Dope. So, yeah, we put the hose on first, then we put that on. Channel locks out. Trying to make sure this is in the same position as it was before. Now let's hook up the wires, the harness here. See which way. Yeah. What? Oh, there we go. Clip. Snap. Snap. I taped up the wire harness, the cover is all cracked. Now we need to put on, this is the airflow. Huh. Snap ring that was missing. Not a snap ring, but it's a one of those plastic clips. Put that back on. Oh, is this one of these that fits here? Not well. Let me get my zip ties. Yeah. Got a bunch of zip ties here, but let's first, this is the airflow sensor. Not meant. Let me see. Yeah. Put that back on. Snap. Got this. Wires are all hooked back up. Now we need to, I need to zip tie some of the wire harness because they don't seem to, some of it doesn't seem to fit into things. But, oh, get that one in there. And let's get this one over here in. Go in.
No. Zip tie stuff.
Well, you don't need to see any zip tying stuff. This is pretty much done. Well, we got it all fixed here. I did have a little, some electrical problems. One of the fuses had also blown. Apparently the fan had, old fan had gotten bad and was starting to, taking too much power, and that's what caused the fuse to blow. And then that controlled this fan. So if I had just put a fuse in, it probably would have blown again. My neighbor helped me figure that out. But yeah, I did need to replace this here, the radiator fan assembly. So it's into this one. Also, this would probably help cool the Freon now better next time.